How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get big forearms fast and easy tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the first exercise we are going to do for forearms is going to be squeezes. So we're going to get our hands like this, and you're going to squeeze really, really tight. So that's 1, come back, squeeze again, 2, and keep doing this. 3, again, we're taking big squeezes. Squeeze 4, 5, 6, and I can feel it in my forearms. Look at my forearms when I do this. You can see my forearms being contracted, but you got to squeeze tight. So keep going. I think that's about 10 reps. Take a quick little break. Okay, so we're going to do a forearm curl. This is probably my favorite exercise for the forearms. So that's 30, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next thing we are going to do for the forearms is we're going to do a hammer curl. So just like this. This works the outside of the forearms. You can see the definition. You can even see the top being worked. You can see down here being worked. Perfect, quick little break. We are then going to do squeezes. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Hold for 20 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, I'm then going to do some forearm curls. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.